因為佢以前係做呢行嘅，所以特別。
我喺有冇見過20年？
即係我屋企呢個就我爸爸嘅。
So he retired at 75. He used to have a technical school teaching people how to repair like phones and computers. That's why he knows all this. He worked like on repairing the Mac, the first Mac. Yeah. Isn't that really cool? Isn't that pretty cool? Huh. So look, it's like you're never too old to learn, huh? What? No, he knows English. Yeah.
第二，仔到第二，加拿大